Namaste, welcome to Geeta's kitchen. Today we'll make a sweet dish and that is coconut barfi. For that we require some coconut, a little bit of ghee, a few pieces of cashew nut, some milk, this is cardamom powder, and this is a roasted gram. I have powdered it into the mixie. Roasted grams means the putani dal or pottugadle, the dal which you use for making chutneys. So just about 2 tablespoons of that powder we are going to use. First step, take the pieces of coconut in a jar and we'll make it into a shredded powder. We have shredded the coconut pieces in a blender jar and I have measured it out. I have 1 cup in this is 1 more cup, so totally 2 cups. I am doing this because depending on the size of the coconut, you will have different quantities of shredded coconut. Here if you have 2 cups of grated coconut, then you take half the quantity, 1 cup of sugar. Next, before starting the preparation, you take a piece of grease-proof paper and line it inside a bowl and keep it ready so that when it is done, you can pour it into this. Or if you don't have the paper also, you can just pour it directly onto a tray, no problem. So shall we start now? First step, heat the pan and add about 2 teaspoons of ghee to this. Next add in the broken bits of cashew and fry them till golden brown. The cashew nuts are well fried to a lovely golden color. Just drain it out and keep it aside. Add in the grated coconut. Keep the flame low. And just saute it for a couple of minutes. Add the sugar to it. Mix it all together very well. Then I have taken a small quantity of milk, say about 1/4 cup of milk. Add that also. Mix everything well together and continue cooking it over a low flame. See, initially you will find that the sugar melts and it becomes of a more liquid consistency. Don't worry about that. Just continue cooking on a low flame till it starts thickening. See, you can see it bubbling like this. Now, and slowly as it cooks, it will start thickening and coming together as one mass. So, you continue cooking for 10 to 15 minutes till it starts thickening and the bubbling also reduces. Now see how it has started thickening. The bubbling also is not there now and it has become quite sticky. Everything coming together as one mass, leaving the sides. You can even take it out at this stage and make it into a barfi. But for beginners, sometimes you might miss the stage. Then it will become very soft. You pass the stage, it will become crumbly. So then you use this secret ingredient, this small tip. This is that powder of roasted gram, the chutney dal. Add it to that. Mix it all together very well. We add the cardamom powder also to it for flavor. Mix it together well once again. Just stir it for another 1 or 2 minutes till everything blends well together. Pour it out onto your greased tray. add the fried nuts to it. Spread it all over evenly. Then see, I have greased the underside of a small cup with some ghee like this. Just tap it down with that so that it get an even layer of the barfi. When it is slightly cool, just make markings on it to make the pieces, because if you wait too long, then you will not be able to make the pieces. It might become very hard. So when it is just slightly cool, make the markings like this. Our tasty coconut barfi is now ready to be served. I have cut it into pieces, and it is a very easy sweet to make for beginners, because you don't have to worry about the stage of the sugar syrup. If you are not familiar with 1 string and 2 string stage and all that, don't worry. You're just mixing everything together and taking out and cutting it into pieces. So do try the recipe, share it with your family and friends, and please do come back to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.